Tutorial on how to update your Wi-Fi firmware on your Crossfire. This is going to work for the Tango 2, the Crossfire Nano, the Crossfire Micro, the Crossfire Lite, the full size, also all the tracer stuff as well. I'm using my full size because I actually haven't updated this since last year, so it's actually on a really old firmware. So what we're going to do first is we're going to download the TBS Cloud Wi-Fi firmware. That's going to be located on the Crossfire page, so we'll do that. Once we've downloaded it, we're going to take that file and we're going to unzip it. You'll see that we have 1.15, 1.17, and 1.41. This is going to be just a general update video. I'm going to use 1.17 because that's the latest public release. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to connect to our Crossfire device. So how we're going to do that is once the Crossfire is on and powered, it's going to generate a Wi-Fi network. So let me get this set up here real quick. Turn on the Crossfire.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning.
Let's get past through these.
2. Hi.
And we should see the Crossfire pop up. There it is. So we're going to connect to this Crossfire. Once we've connected, what we're going to do is we're going to go to 192.168.4.1 in your browser. We're going to use Chrome here. You can use any browser you want. Make sure I'm connected. Oh, I didn't connect. So I have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. This is an old version of Wi-Fi, so it's going to be a little bit wonky. There we go. So we're connected now, and we need to upgrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a file, and we're going to go to the download or the desktop and go to that TBS Cloud file that we just opened. We're going to go into the file, and in the 1.7 or 17 file, we're going to choose Crossfire. You can do it for the Fusion. I forgot about that. It works for the Fusion as well. And we're going to choose the firmware bin. So choose that and open. I'm actually on 1.08 is the current firmware. And we're going to click upgrade. This will take a second. I'm going to close out of some tabs here. And you'll see it'll say update success, rebooting. I close out all these little tabs. I'm actually using my girlfriend's computer. I don't have a Wi-Fi dongle on my computer right now because I broke it last week. So I'm hardwired into the router instead of using the Wi-Fi connection. Give it a second though, because this is when it's downloading that firmware onto your Wi-Fi. Just be patient. So it's done now. What we're going to do is we're going to reconnect to that TBS Crossfire, and it should actually connect a lot easier this time. There we go. Way easier. Next, so that's the next video I'm going to put out is how to generate a user ID on your Crossfire. So right now we have Crossfire updated. The next video we'll be doing some of the cloud stuff.